Most of them are not dancers, they haven't danced before, so they have created something really quite extraordinary, and I saw the dress run earlier on this evening, and you're in for an absolute treat, so they really have come such a long way. They've worked with two fantastic dancers from New Adventures, Alan Vincent and Dina Lenny, who have guided them and supported them, shouted at them, challenged them, and had an awful lot of fun and laughs with them. But they have been extraordinary just in terms of allowing them to achieve something that's really quite remarkable. So I'm just going to say a very, very few thank yous, and I'm going to be very brief because the most important thing is for you to see this group perform and to then see Sleeping Beauty. Thank you very, very much to everyone here at the Wales Millennium Centre, and particularly to the Learning and Participation Department, with whom we've been working in partnership over the last 4 months or so, and particularly Steve Williams. I'd like to say a very big, please give him a round of applause. I'd also like to say a very, very big thank you to our own Sleeping Beauty company, who give up a lot of their time and are so supportive of the Curtain Raiser projects that we do, not just here at Wales Millennium Centre, but other venues that we talk to. So thank you very much to them. I don't know whether it's the biggest thank you, but it is a very, very big thank you from Reborn and from New Adventures and from the Wales Millennium Centre to Hawthorne High School and everybody at Hawthorne High School near Pontypridd, who have just moved mountains to make this project work. I can't tell you. And particularly a big, big thank you to Kelly Phillips, who's been amazing. So just before I leave the stage, I would just like to let you know what's going to happen. I'm going to exit, and you're going to see this brochure and Curtain Raiser. It's about 4 minutes long. And then there's going to be a pause, so please stay in your seats. We're just going to reset the Sleeping Beauty. And there will be an interval in the performance this evening of Sleeping Beauty, so, but just stay where you are while we reset. And at the end of the evening, as everybody leaves the auditorium, there will be a bucket collection, and the proceeds of which will go to both Reborn and the Learning and Participation Department here at Wales Millennium Centre. So anything that you can offer will help us to keep working with young people and keep supporting them and giving them this kind of extraordinary opportunity. And the buckets will be held by members of our cast from Sleeping Beauty Company in costumes. So please have a chat to them. They really enjoy having your feedback and having a chat to the audience after the show. So have a chat to them. They'll be at various points as you leave the theatre. They'll be out front of the house. That, I think, is really all I need to tell you. Enjoy your evening. Thank you very much for coming to see Matthew Vaughan Sleeping Beauty. And I'd like to give the stage over. And I hope you raise the roof and give them all the support you possibly can to the Hawthorne Dancing Dragons and our Curtain Raiser performance. Thank you very much. Job well.